Welcome to the iconic Connor House, which is over 200 years old. This is a perfect location to do some science investigations, especially around the base of our house here. Standard for this location might be make observations and/or measurements to provide evidence of the effects of weathering or the rate of erosion by water, ice, wind, or vegetation. An essential question might be, how has this house changed over time? And what could you do to protect it for future guests? An invitation for this space could be something as simple as this bucket, and asking students to think about how difficult it was to get water from the river, and what difficulties do they think might happen winter versus summer. An easy reflection question might be, how has this house changed over time since the days of William Connor?